Hey, Assalamu alaikum, peace and blessings, and keep up the lessons. Yeah, I'm over here walking through this winter snow storm. All right. Well, it came finally, and I'm just touching base with my viewers. Keep up the faith, keep going forward. You be in the house probably, do what you got to do, get things done, stay productive. Don't let it put you in a stupor. It's like the pandemic did. You got to stay up, inshallah. And those of you who invested the cryptocurrency, like I tell you, push it forward. That's all I'm going to say. Just was giving a good word. Your brother Taalib, the friendly neighborhood Muslim. As you can see, my neighborhood is nice and white. All right. Speak to y'all soon, inshallah. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.